everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make savory pancake. In our language we call magni dal na dosa. And this one is another my healthy recipe. This recipe I got from my sister and I modify with cheese and some sauce. So let's start with ingredients which is you will need in this recipe. Fine chopped coriander, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon peri peri sauce, 1 tablespoon sweet chili sauce, half a teaspoon salt for batter, half a cup of rice soaked overnight, half a cup moong dal soaked overnight, 4 tablespoons plain yogurt. I make at home this natural yogurt, but you can get from the supermarket, but make sure you buy unsweetened yogurt. Half a cup fine chopped broccoli, half a cup chopped cabbage, half a cup grated carrot, half a cup grated mozzarella cheese, but you can use any other cheese or feta cheese, half a cup mixed red and green capsicum so it looks nice and colorful and plus healthy too, 1 red onion chopped very fine, and some salt and pepper. First we going to crush this rice with yogurt. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of this yogurt and I'm going to keep 2 tablespoons for dal. We want to make very fine this batter, like a runny batter. So if you need, you can add water. So I'm gonna check first if it's going to blend nice and soft, then it's okay. Otherwise I'm going to add some water. So it looks like I little bit water to make thinner, because we want to make this batter thin like a pancake batter. This batter is ready and it's nice and smooth. Now I'm going to crush this dal with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. And it's so healthy because moong dal got quite a bit of protein. So it's good for everybody, kids, adults. And looks like this one need little bit of water too. Okay, make sure you add little bit water at a time because we don't want too runny either. Now looks like this batter is ready. Now we're going to add salt. This moong dal and rice batter is ready. So now we're going to make this pancake in a pan with all vegetable and sauce. Now this pan is ready. Looks like it's nice and warm and medium flame. So first I'm going to add light olive oil. I'm going to let it spread a little bit of oil, and straight away I'm going to add this batter. So we want to make as thin as possible. So I'm going to wait until it cooks in a bottom side. And once we gonna see that it's not runny on the top, then we gonna start adding all vegetables. So looks like at this side some coriander. So it's very nice, simple, easy and healthy. Now I'm going to turn down now heat. Looks like a top layer is nice cooked. So in this one I'm going to add tomato sauce and some mayonnaise because they both go very well each other. So I'm going to make one pancake with tomato sauce, one pancake with peri peri sauce, and one pancake with sweet chili sauce, and right on the top with cheese. So you know kids love cheese. At the same time they can eat this vegetable. Okay, now looks like one side pancake is ready, nice golden brown. Now we're going to turn another half and cover all vegetable and cheese. So we're going to press very gently so it's gonna set it up properly. I'm gonna look. Yeah, it looks like the other side is ready. So I'm going to turn other side so it cook both sides equally. And that's it. This pancake is ready. going to add sweet chili sauce. And some mayonnaise. And some salt and pepper. But look, it's optional because some people like a salty and some people like mild. Now I'm going to add some mozzarella, but feta cheese go very well too. So if you have feta cheese and cheddar cheese, go for it. Doesn't it look yummy? And we all enjoy so much. Now I'm going to turn other side. This very yummy, healthy, and very quick savory pancake is ready. So if you like this recipe and this video, as usual, please like, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and family because this is a healthy dish. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.